So the next video I make requires tostada shells, which are basically fried tortillas. And if you use the corn ones, you're going to have a horrible time. I'm not a fan. Now, if you use the flour tortillas, they're better, but these type of tortillas are not as sturdy. But if you make your own, you're going to have an awesome product. So let's get started. In this bowl, I've got about 2.5 cups of flour. And we're going to add 6 tablespoons of butter that I just diced up. And using your fingertips, you are just going to rub the butter into the flour, just like you're making a pie dough. Right here I have 3/4 of a cup of water, and we are just going to heat that until it reaches about 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Almost there. Now, if you don't have a thermometer, you can check to see if it's done by looking at the bottom of the pot, and as you can see, there are tiny little bubbles forming. You can also feel if it's hot, but I wouldn't advise that. Working pretty quickly, you're just gonna pour the water in and just mix it around until a dough forms. You're just gonna knead this dough for about a minute or two until it's all uniform. Once it looks like this, you're ready to divide it. I like to measure out 2 tablespoons of dough to make a 6-inch tortilla. Roll it into a ball like so, and place it on a plate so you can work on the other one. This recipe makes roughly 12 to 13 tortillas. I just covered them right now because they need to go in the refrigerator for about a half hour. So we'll see you then. After a half hour, you're going to take a dough ball. I like to press it down to give it a head start. And just using a rolling pin, you're just going to give it, I'd say, a 1/4 turn each time you pass through it, until it's the desired size and thickness that you want. It's probably going to stick to the rolling pin. Just be patient. And now they're ready to be cooked. Now you can use any pan for this, but I like the Happy Day griddle. Make sure you got at least medium-high heat on there. I like to brush a little bit of olive oil. Once your griddle is hot enough, place your tortilla on like so. After 30 seconds, give it a flip. And wait another 30. Once done, remove it from the heat, and I like to place it on a plate lined with paper towels in between each one, so you can work on the next one. Some are going to puff up like this, and that's totally normal. They're going to flatten once they cool. Just like that, they're ready to use, or you can wait until they cool down, place them in a plastic bag, write today's date on them, and whenever you need them, just pull them out of the fridge. Just make sure you warm them up before you use them. Hey, speaking of foreshadowing, look how snug this fits in a Mexican pizza box from Taco Bell. Well, that's all the time we have for tonight. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like. I mean, that's pretty self-explanatory. If you're new here, click the subscribe button. And until next time, I'm Jared Lendy with Small Bites. See ya.